Hi, welcome. It's the girl Juliana Solo Vlog, and I'm here with another amazing video. Welcome. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. So today, hey guys, I will be taking my time to motivate you all. I know it may be interested to some, may not be interested to a few, but to those who may take it, let me tell you all this. My channel wasn't doing good. It wasn't doing like before. I used to get views, but not as much as I am getting right now. And I'm saying this to somebody out there. If you don't know how to create thumbnail, because thumbnail is the most important thing of the video, okay? Your video can be crappy and all that, right? But you do need to have a good thumbnail, because thumbnail is the first thing that people will see and they will want to come and watch. So if you don't have a good thumbnail and your title of your video, those are the things that sells it. So I'm saying this to somebody out there. Go ahead and learn to create thumbnail, learn to edit your video, and ensure that you learn how to edit, guys, because if you have to have somebody to edit the video for you, you have to have somebody to create thumbnail for you. You know what's gonna happen when they are not available to edit the video for you, or they are not available to edit thumbnails for you? You know what, you're not gonna in the mood to post any video because you don't have anybody around you to edit. You don't have anybody around you. Hold on guys, my phone was ringing. So if you don't have anybody to edit for you or to create your thumbnail, you're not gonna be in the mood to post a video. And that was one of the things that was affecting me, because I wasn't able to edit my thumbnail how I wanted it to. So I used to just, to be honest, I used to just fling up video and thumbnail however it want to be. But now I'm taking my time to create my thumbnail, to edit my videos and all that. So it's a little bit different now, but I must say thanks to This Is Cheyenne and family, who has always been on my back and telling me, girl, you need to learn to do this, you need to learn to do that. Why if you don't have nobody there to assist you? And trust me, it worked out perfect. So thanks for the tough love, because now I'm able to create my own thumbnails. I'm able to edit my own videos. I don't have to ask anybody to assist me with anything at all. So I am grateful for that. And guys, all of us as vloggers need to learn to create, if it's even the basic thumbnail, edit, if it's even the basic video, we need to learn to edit. And we need to spend more time in editing the video. So you make a little mistakes, learn to cut them out. Sometimes what I do, I don't take away all my mistakes that happen in the video. Sometimes I leave them there, because to let other content creators know that, hey, I made a mistake and it's there. So to show you that I'm not perfect, nobody is perfect, but it's not everything that you're gonna make, because if somebody says something in a video and they don't want it to go over the hair. You're gonna clip that out. You're gonna watch the video. You're gonna take your time, and you're gonna slice it out, because guess what? Editing take a long time, and that's what most of us as vloggers didn't know. Because to be honest, when I just started YouTube, I think that you just video something and you just post it up. So that's how I used to post my videos. I never used to do nothing but editing or anything like that. All I did was just put my name in there and just upload the video. But to my surprise, it wasn't like that. So I started taking my time out, practicing by editing. I use CapCut, guys, to edit, and the two latest videos that are on my channel, I use VN, a app that it's not 100%. You see the first two videos you edit on that app, it's perfect, but when you try to edit a next video, you find out that there's a problem. So I have to just delete that app from my phone, because it doesn't spell any sense of having it on my phone, to be honest. I think they have a paid version, I'm not sure, but the app, I wouldn't recommend the app, but if you want to get that first trial, it's good. It's good to use. At first, it's good. I'm gonna say that. But take your time, guys. There's a lot of different apps. I may not know. So if you know of any other apps, just comment in the comment section and let me try them out. Because I'm willing to try. I'm willing to try any app out to get a good quality editing. Because the apps that they use to edit, it plays a good role too. It plays a vital role. So I'm willing to learn wherever I am able to learn. I am willing. So take your time out, guys. Edit your video, create thumbnail, get clean background. You see, like this background, guys, this is the background I would love to have every single day, but unfortunately I can't have that background every single day because it's not my place. And I'm not gonna sit here, I'm gonna say, oh, it's my place. No, it's not my place. Okay, it's not my place. I'm just gonna be real and true to myself, and I'm gonna be true to my audience. When I get my home place, then you will know that, hey, it's my own place, but this is not my home place. Okay, this is just a nice little vacation spot where you can come, relax, and get away from all the chaos that may be going on around you. You want to get away from all the stress and all of that. You just come and you just book your spot, come, chill, relax, and have fun. If you're a type of person that you need rest and you just can't get the rest what you need at your place, just book here, come and you relax, and nobody's gonna provoke you, nobody's gonna disturb you or anything like that. Okay, guys? So guys, I will be doing live stream. I'm trying to do live stream every single day or every other day, but I will start be doing back live stream. And guys, please go ahead and check out my second channel, Juliana Empire. I will write the name somewhere up here, not sure where, but check out that channel also, guys. And my eating channel, Boss Lady Tina 13, yes, I will be putting that up also, guys. We are doing strictly eating on that video. So guys, thank you so much, and shout out to my channel members, Cooking with Nicole and One Love Shy Baby. Guys, go ahead and check out their channel. I will put their link in the description box so you can go ahead and check them out. Show them some love and support, guys. And also, I want you all to check out G Silk. Yes, he's an upcoming artist. I will be putting his link down in the description box also. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you all.